Imagine you're sitting on the edge of your seat, waiting for the latest gaming console to drop. You've got the money ready, but the only way to secure it is with cryptocurrency. What do? You buy USDT with Zelle, of course. So, you've heard the buzz about cryptocurrency, and you're ready to dive in. But where do you start? One of the most popular cryptocurrencies for newcomers is Tether, USDT. It's stablecoin, which means its value is pegged to the US dollar. This makes it a great option for those who want to avoid the volatility of other cryptocurrencies. One of the easiest ways to buy USDT is with Zelle. Zelle is a fast and easy way to send money between bank accounts. So, let's get started. Step-by-step guide. Choose a cryptocurrency exchange. The first step is to choose a cryptocurrency exchange that supports USDT and Zelle payments. There are many great options out there, but some of the most popular include Binance, Coinbase, and Kraken. Create an account. Once you've chosen an exchange, you'll need to create an account. This process is usually straightforward and involves providing some basic information about yourself. Verify your identity. Most exchanges will require you to verify your identity before you can make a purchase. This is to prevent fraud and money laundering. Link your bank account. Next, you'll need to link your bank account to your exchange account. This is where Zelle comes in. You can use Zelle to transfer funds from your bank account to your exchange account. Buy USDT. Once your bank account is linked, you can purchase USDT. Simply select USDT from the list of available cryptocurrencies and enter the amount you want to buy. Then, choose Zelle as your payment method. Confirm your purchase. After you've entered your purchase details, you'll need to confirm your purchase. This usually involves entering a confirmation code that is sent to your phone. Wait for confirmation. Once your purchase is confirmed, you'll need to wait for the USDT to be credited to your exchange account. This process can take a few minutes. Tips and tricks. Security first. When using Zelle, it's important to be aware of security risks. Make sure you are using a secure internet connection and that you are dealing with a reputable exchange. Fees. Some exchanges may charge fees for using Zelle. Be sure to check the fees before making a purchase. Customer support. If you have any problems, don't hesitate to contact the customer support of your exchange. Buying USDT with Zelle is a simple and convenient way to get started with cryptocurrency. By following these steps, you can be up and running in no time. So, what are you waiting for? Start your cryptocurrency journey today by buying USDT with Zelle. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.